At Beca, we believe the energy progress the world needs is within reach.
The global energy transition requires the transformation of a lifetime.
And we're doing our bit to partner with clients throughout the energy life cycle.
From the processes needed to create biofuels,
to the transmission, distribution and storage of renewable energy,
and the decarbonisation of heavy industry.
None of this is new to us. We've been supporting clients for over 100 years in New Zealand.
And more than 55 in Australia.
But there is more urgency than ever to change the energy landscape.
And you need a partner with experience.
We are inspired and invested to make real change.
Through the creative thinking of our designers, engineers and problem solvers.
Because our people bring their own kind of incredible energy to creating sustainable futures.
The sort of energy that powers our partnerships with clients.
Like our transmission work with Transgrid on Project Energy Connect,
which will enable a greater renewable energy mix into the grid in Victoria, New South Wales and South Australia.
Our goal is to bridge the gap between what's possible and what's real.
Through tangible design and engineering outcomes.
Like helping Mercury plan, develop and construct the biggest wind farm in New Zealand, Turitea.
Which creates enough renewable energy to power 120,000 homes.
And Australia's first carbon neutral bottling site in Swanbank, Queensland.
Because creating real change takes courage.
And most importantly, our employee ownership model underpins our commitment to making every day better for everyone.
It inspires us to turn big energy challenges into even bigger opportunities.
I am invested.
I'm invested.
I am invested.
To make real change for the future of energy.